And this is me without the new teeth. Me with the teeth. If you need something to cover whatever tooth situation you have and you don't want to buy the ones that the dentists make, the partials or whatever, these work very fine. They work, apparently they're supposed to work with your gums as well as with teeth. Obviously I have teeth for them to stick to, right? Because I have teeth back here and I have teeth over here. I'm just missing these 3, 4, whatever. But yeah, they feel fine. They look fine. They pop in and out. Super easy. Make sure you mold them to your face and let them cool away from your teeth. Pop them back in, and you're good to go. Thanks.